Hello all, welcome to the yet another episode number 8 of Walk the Stock. Today I have brought in front of you a different segment company which is into plastics, rather molded plastics. I've been watching this company and it has been in my watch list for past few days. The company has been performing fairly well. It has broken its near-term resistance, which is roughly from October 2023. It has broken that resistance. So let's talk about this company, which is called Supreme Industries. Now, Supreme Industries is a company which is into molded plastics, and I've been watching this company because of its strong momentum, which it has been catching for a while now. And the company is basically, I would say, a low beta company. The beta is sitting at about 0.69, and the market capitalization of this company is about 63,000 crores. The company is trading at a price of about 4,800-ish. Yes, 4,800 or so, or rather 4,970 as of today. And it is gaining some kind of momentum because it has broken its near-term resistance. So without wasting any time, let's deep dive into the charts and see what the technicals say. And let's analyze this company, Supreme Industries, for you. Okay, friends, let's deep dive into the weekly chart of Supreme Industries. Now, as I said, if I show you here, it has taken a resistance on 16th of October 2023, now which is a 6-7 months old resistance, and this resistance is beautifully broken here in this current week. Now, the best part is if this stock shows some bit of price action to us, a bullish price action to us from here, we would like to take a position in this stock. Now, that is part one. Another interesting thing which you must be seeing, or let me gather your attention there, is basically these two weighted moving averages, the 22 and the 44 weighted moving averages. They are respectively for 1 month and 2 months. Now these weighted moving averages are showing a crossover here, which means there is some fresh up move expected post this crossover, and as it is, the stock has broken its resistance of past 6 months. Very interesting. So it is obviously bullish because the stock is traversing over 200 EMAs. So which means that the stock is bullish and it is gaining some bit of momentum. Now let's quickly deep dive into the daily chart of this stock, and let me just plot 1 minute. Let me just plot this resistance line for you so that this stays on the chart. Here you go. And now let's walk it over to the daily chart. Now you see this daily chart, it is really creating a bit of price movement here, and it is trading just above this resistance, but I want this kind of a price movement which I have just drawn here to be shown. Once that happens, I am sure the stock will shoot up with the bullishness it is showing. Let's also look at some more indicators, like what's going on with the momentum indicator, RSI, and so on. So here are the other indicators. So as usual, this is the RSI. Like I said, RSI is traversing over 60, so which is giving it the bullish momentum. The ADX directional index as well as the ADX is showing a good trend strength. Relative strength of the past 55 days against the broader index Nifty for Supreme Industries is positive. So Supreme Industries is performing rather better than the broader index at this point of time, which is Nifty. and the on balance volume has just gone over the 50 DMA for now, and with the price movement consistently showcasing the up move and the OBV moving over the 50 DMA, it gives us a very good level of comfort that this stock is all set to make some good price action in the near future. I think from a swing trade perspective, the stock could be a great pick for us. Let's also look at let's go back to the weekly chart for a minute, and let's look at the Fibonacci extension for this to really look at what kind of targets we are looking at. So let me just plot it for you. This is the near term low, this is the high, and then I plot it to the extension of the nearest low. Look, very interesting. The stock is just about traversing and reaching this golden zone of 0.55, 0.61. So I would say from where it is standing today, 4969 or so, the first target is about 5,300, which I would shoot for. The second target would be about 6,100 at 0.786, and then you have the further targets of 6,819 and so on at 1.1 and 1.61 projection ratios. Yeah. So, but again, this is a stock which is showing bullish momentum. I would wait for it to make a little bit of good price action here before I go for it. But this stock, as it says, because I've drawn the fib extension for a nearly longer term, almost about a year or so. So I would suggest that we wait and watch this stock and keep it in our watch list until we find a good price action happening over this resistance, near-term resistance line. We just keep it in the watch list and we pick this up once we see a good price movement here or rather price action, and then we may have to keep the stock for a month or 2 months or maybe a little more, but then the stock is going to be giving us this up move very, very quickly. When it moves, it'll move very quickly, in my opinion. So I'll leave you with this today. Thank you very much for looking at our analysis on Supreme Industries today. Hope that you will consult your financial advisor and you will do your own bit of analysis to look at this stock, and if you want to take the position. I will hope to see you again on the coming Monday with a new stock. Till then, goodbye, good day, and have a very, very nice weekend. Thank you so much all, and please keep liking, subscribing our work. We are a very new channel. Maybe with your likes and your comments, we'll be able to do a much better job in the coming future. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.